A new software update is rolling out for the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE mobile. This is a monthly security patch update. After installing this, the mobile phone is updated to the June security patch. The size of this update is around 287.80 MB. This mobile is currently running on One UI 7.0 with Android version 15. I started downloading the update. This update was released for this mobile almost June month ending, but the S25 models received way earlier than this. The main objective of posting these software update videos, especially for this mobile phone, is to check whether the update is good or not, followed by any problems I noticed after using the mobile phone for 24 hours. This S24 FE is supported for 7 years of major Android and security updates, which I'm going to test and post about every month. I'm not sure whether I'll post these videos for 7 years, but I'll try. I successfully updated the mobile phone and used it for about 24 hours. There are no issues I noticed and no data wipe happened during the installation. No glitches, errors or green line issues either. The mobile got hot during the update process, but after 15 minutes it cooled down and there were no battery drain issues either. I'm getting the same battery backup as before, even the idle drain is the same. That's the new software update details for the Samsung S24 FE. Like this video so it pushes up and is seen by many others as well. Thanks in advance for doing this.